In today's video, I'm going to be showing you just how easy it is to start managing your feature flags using DevCycle. Whether you're a retail site looking to A/B test different ways of showcasing exciting new offers in either a banner or in a modal, you're a SaaS platform looking to implement an emergency off switch whenever your application needs to go into maintenance mode, or you're a news outlet looking to update from your dated old design to a brand new homepage. Using DevCycle, all of this is possible and more. And believe it or not, all of these different designs and use cases have implemented on a single page thanks to DevCycle's feature flags. Now, to see what's going on over in that feature flag demo, we're going to head into our DVC demo feature, which we've already set up for this project. Now, you'll notice the first thing highlighted here on the DevCycle demo page is our variables, and those are a unique organizational tool on the DevCycle platform. Now, we know that features are generally made up of more than just one piece, and as you saw on that feature flag demo page, there's lots of different things that were changed there, especially as we went between the different use cases. At DevCycle, we call these sort of sub-flags or individual pieces variables, and you can define any number of variables that you liked in one of four different types, either a Boolean variable, a string variable, a JSON variable, or a number variable, and you can see that I've got all of those different kinds of flags and variables defined here in our feature. Now, the other term that you might notice is pretty prominently displayed on this page is the term variation. All a variation is a combination of different variable values that you're going to need to change based on what you're trying to do with your feature flags. If you remember the demo that we just looked at, we had a bunch of different pages that we looked at, and those pages are actually just different combinations of these variables that I wanted to put together to show you some different use cases. So, with variables and variations set, we're now ready to head down to our users and targeting section so we can look at the rules that will define who is going to see which variation of our feature. You can see here that I've navigated down to the targeting rules for my development environment, which is going to be one of the 3 default environments that you see set up. Want to call them something different? No worries, you can customize these anytime that you'd like. But for now, we're going to focus on the development environment and the targeting rules that I've set up for it here. You'll notice that I only have one targeting rule set up for my development environment, and that is to show all users one specific variation, a new brand for that news page. Now, maybe I'm wanting to roll back to the previous version to actually show that old brand for all of my users or some of my users. To change that is as easy as heading back over to the dashboard and changing those targeting rules. So here we are in our targeting rules. We're going to head down to our serve. We're going to change this to our old brand, click save in the upper right hand corner, and the old brand for our daily news rolled back in no time flat. All right, now I know it's not likely that you're going to roll back to an old version of your page for all users, but you might want to roll it back for some specific users. So to do that, we can head back over to the DevCycle dashboard and create some new targeting rules. So let's head down here and define DevCycle users. We're going to change our definition to user ID contains DevCycle. We're going to set only DevCycle people to see our new brand, and we're going to click save. Now, this will work fine and will default for anybody that's not hit with these targeting rules to whatever variation we'd set in code. But if we wanted to find that in our dashboard, we're going to create a new rule for everyone who's non-DevCycle, create a definition of user ID does not contain DevCycle, and we're going to go serve the old brand. All right, and just as I'd hoped, because I've got DevCycle in my user ID, I'm going to get the new brand, but everybody else is going to see the old brand like this. And there it is, a simple demo that demonstrates just how powerful DevCycle is as a feature flag management tool that empowers your team to use feature flags to their full potential. For more information on DevCycle, head on over to devcycle.com and learn more about our product, our solutions, and to get more resources that'll help you level up DevCycle with your team. Thanks so much for watching, and looking forward to seeing you around the DevCycle community. Bye!